MacBook Air. The description says no backlight. No backlight. It's an A1466. 13 inches. No backlight. Let's try to power it on. See what we have. Hmm. It doesn't seem to be image.
I think they said they disconnect the screen.
Our screen is disconnected. Why? Okay. Okay. We say the screen is disconnected. We don't seem to. I guess that's why we're not picking up image. Let's check that out. Okay, so you can say the screen is disconnected. We're not sure why they did that. Let's check out the screen cable. Oh, I see. Okay, this is why. So, this. So the point where the screen cable the point where it's damaged, that is the highest voltage point on the screen connector, which is going to be this pin 3 and 4. Now usually when this happens, what this will result to, it's a blown fuse. You will also have a blown fuse when this happens, and then also it also depends on how much how much when the surge took place. So it depended on how much it stayed on for. So if it stayed on a little bit longer, oftentimes you will get the fuse having to blow up. But if it was quick, that could there may be a fuse being saved without that. Depending on how long it was on for when the surge happened. So what we want to do now is we want to see what we have on the fuse. Let's see if the fuse is still fine. Okay, as you guys can see, the fuse was blown. So yeah, so the fuse is damaged. Um, Definitely we will have to replace the fuse. But something else we want to confirm, we want to see if we have a short on the PT bus on the backlight output. Let's see what we need to have a short. 1.5. Okay, we don't have a short. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to replace the fuse. We won't be using this because using that will just create more damage. So we're not going to use that. Just put it back. We will have to use a test screen. So instead of replacing it, let's actually use a jumper wire. Let's use a jumper wire and see. Use a jumper wire. Okay, I have a tiny jumper wire in place. Seem really small, but that will do the job. Okay, okay, the wire is in place. Let's just move it a little bit. Okay, let's check the wire now. Okay, pretty much. So that's what we want it to be. Let's now use a test screen. So let us hope that the connector itself is not damaged. So what we're going to do is before we send power or before we power the machine, on connecting the screen, we will have to check for a short before we send power through to the machine, just so we sure we are not creating any type of damage. Okay, continuity, check for short. That's ground. Okay, we don't have a short. Now let's on the device, see what happens. Okay, so as you guys can see, there we have backlight. So the only thing that the device needs is a fuse. So we're not going to put in another fuse. That wire basically it's just enough. So there's no need to put in another fuse. That's another method. You can do that if you don't have a replacement fuse. In our case, we do have lots of replacement fuse, but just want you guys to see how you can also do it differently. So yeah, pretty much that. So this is ready. However, the screen cable needs to be replaced. So 1832.